Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the essentials are ready. Back up your iPhone now and plug it in or reach 50% battery. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the download is fast and reliable. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. The phone will check for available updates. If one appears, tap Download and Install and enter your passcode when prompted. Do this immediately to move to the next phase. You free up space if needed, delete or offload large apps and photos, and make sure you have several hundred megabytes available. Next, tap Install Now. The update will download, then verify the package. During verification, do not interrupt the process. Make sure notifications won't auto-sleep the Wi-Fi. Once verification finishes, your iPhone will prepare the update and automatically restart. Stay nearby. The progress bar shows stages, and your device. You finish by following the on-screen setup steps after the final reboot. Sign in with your Apple ID if prompted and review new settings. Make sure to open the App Store and update apps to match the OS version, and check storage and privacy settings to confirm everything looks right. If the update stalls or the device is unresponsive, try a force restart first. If that fails, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to restore from the backup you made earlier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.